Ram, Fort Hood massacre suspect Nidal Hasan wants to be executed. That's the argument being made by those assigned to help his defense. Hasan is acting as his own defense attorney, but his standby defense team demanded it be allowed to take over his case. Lawyers say Nidal Hasan has a death wish, and they want no part in it, stating, "We do not think it is wise to help him achieve that goal. It is repugnant to defense counsel." Hasan represents himself, but Colonel Chris Poppy is his lead standby attorney in case he changes his mind or needs advice. Wednesday, Poppy told the judge, in his mind, Hasan actually wants the death sentence.
Their job is to represent their client, to prevent him from getting the death penalty. Their perspective or perception is that that's something that he in fact wants.
In Hasan's opening statement Monday, he admitted the evidence would clearly show he was the shooter. He went on to tell the military jury he was a mujahideen, an Islamic fighter engaged in a religious fight, and he hasn't cross-examined any witnesses.
He's saying that he was trying to prevent Americans from killing the Taliban. The judge has rejected that defense for some reason, but his own words are declaring that it is terrorism.
Hasan is charged with the murders of 13 people and the attempted murder of 32 more. He tried to plead guilty before the trial began, but the government denied the plea because it wouldn't have allowed them to pursue the death penalty. Meanwhile, many victims and their families are suing the government because they say political correctness kept the military from stopping Hasan. Observers say for whatever reason, the military missed the warning signs.
I do compare this to the Boston bombing, that there are facts there that could have prevented it, that the FBI had, that did not share with the Boston police. And I think that a lot of the people that saw his radical behavior were not reporting it to the proper authorities, or those that did receive the information did not want to handle it for whatever reason. And it is disappointing.
Now, survivors also want the military to reclassify the shooting as a terrorist attack so they can be eligible for combat benefits. The military has classified the attack as workplace violence.